The disunity within the People's National Party, PNP, may deepen following a protest at the party's headquarters on Old Hope Road in St. Andrew earlier today. Sandy Williams was on location and now files this report.
PNP activist Karen Cross and her supporters arrived to chains on the gate at the main entrance of the party's headquarters on Old Hope Road in St. Andrew. Members of the party's executive, however, were on the property. Ms. Cross proceeded to block the entrance with her car and continued her protest. The PNP has been battling this unity for some time now, and Ms. Cross says the party leader is yet to make an attempt to resolve the matter. In fact, she accused Mr. Golding of attempting to oust several members of the party.
He has resisted every chance, every opportunity given to him and presented to him, both theoretically and figuratively, by the universe, and he has resented those to unite the party. Instead, he has gone about methodically, him, Bunting and Campbell, to divide the People's National Party.
Ms. Cross outlined reasons why she believes Mark Golding was fueling a rift in the party.
The other day, C. Barneswell offered to challenge Comrade Dennis Daly on the instructions of Bunting. So all of these actions point to the fact that Comrade Golding don't want any unity.
It's why she wants Mr. Golding and the party's General Secretary, Dr. Dayton Campbell, to resign.
We want the resignation of Mark Golding and Dayton Campbell. There's no two way about that. Them not able to bring it together. No, there's no effort that they have made to bring it together.
But Dr. Campbell is refuting Ms. Cross's claim and adds that he, the president, and the party's vice presidents are open to a discussion with Ms. Cross about her concerns.
We are not limiting anybody from coming inside here. I'm saying it again. We are open to invite them inside of the conference room. Myself, the vice presidents are coming here, Eugene is here, and the others are coming to sit down and have a conversation with them.
Dr. Campbell insists the closed gate was a crowd control measure. However, it was eventually opened. PNP Vice President Eugene Kelly tried to invite Ms. Cross and her supporters inside for a discussion, but they refused.
So I'm not coming inside to have a discussion.
It's all open.
No, I'm not coming inside to have a discussion.
You're not? Okay, well.
No, we're going to stay outside here.
Well, how are we going to unite? You don't want unity.
Reporting from the PNP headquarters in St. Andrew, I'm Sandy Williams for TVJ News.